In this video, I'll show you how to send money to Ghana using Western Union step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to send money to Ghana using Western Union, first open the Western Union app or website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register and verify your profile before continuing. Once you're logged in, go to the Send Money section. Select Ghana as the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. The system will show you the exchange rate and transfer fees before you proceed, so you know exactly how much the receiver will get. Next, choose how the receiver will get the money. You can select options like bank deposit, cash pickup, or UPI transfer, depending on what's available. After that, select your payment method. Each option shows the fee and exchange rate. I recommend paying directly in the app, as other methods are usually more expensive. I'll choose to pay via bank transfer in the app. Paying in-store or using different options could reduce what your recipient receives. If everything in the summary looks correct, click Continue. You might see a fraud warning pop up. If everything is accurate, click Accept. Then enter the receiver's details. Enter their first and last name and select the purpose of the transaction. Accuracy is essential, especially for cash transfers, as your receiver's ID must match these details. The next step is to enter your payment details and review everything before confirming the transfer. After you confirm, Western Union will process the transfer and provide you with an MTCN tracking number. Share this number with the receiver if you selected cash pickup, as they will need it along with their ID to collect the money. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.